my dogs out there. Woo! I hope your day is fantastic. My name is Amanda, and thank you for joining me today. I hope you got your leash on and you're ready to go.
Hey sis, ready. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Nice. The first try. Very good. Okay, oh my god. Oh!
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Tidy Monster. Today we went to our storage unit to clear out some clutter. The first thing I removed was a bed frame that we're going to be using in our middle room, which is our guest bedroom. It's a twin bed. I don't know why we ever put it back in the storage unit, but we did. So here I am.
Okay. I'm just trying to get to our staff.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
Guys, we've had that for like 11 plus years.
I have some totes that had some of my belongings in them, from dolls to just childhood memories. So that'll be fun to go through.
Two, is that okay? Minnie,
Huh?
I'm stacking these two. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Mom's 4th of July wreath. She's like, honey, I don't know what happened to it. Cause I bought
4th of July wreath?
Oh, nice. I got Mom and Dad a 4th of July wreath.
Oh, cute. Wreath.
And Wreath, Mom's like, because on 4th of July, I was like, Mom, where's your wreath? She's like, oh, I don't know, honey.
We've had the storage unit for quite a while. We're going to be having a yard sale in the spring, so that's why we wanted to go through our storage unit, get out anything that we could probably potentially sell, things that we still want to keep, memories, and place them in labeled boxes and put them into our shed in the backyard. And toward the end, Mom and Jasmine both came to join us. Jasmine, you can see her walking around sniffing everything and wagging her tail, just being the best doggy ever. Well, I hope you enjoyed another episode of Tidy Monster. Hope to see you here next week or sometime soon when I post again. Thank you. Bye.